So I printed this huge thing. Massive flower pot. Big ass flower pot. But I got to thinking, instead of printing in beautiful PETG, why not print in ABS? Really small! And apparently watertight. This is not a vase print. This is Arachne in Orca Slicer. Just really, really small. It's the same thing. Well, this one's scaled a little different than the original. This is the original 6-inch flower pot, printed very tiny, and apparently is a shot glass. This is why we have 3D printers. This is what really matters right here.